Hi, welcome to CEDIA 2023. My name's Paul Williams. I'm the Chief Product Officer here at NICE. And what we're excited to show our integrators here at the show is about our utilities functionality. Now last year, we announced and then started showing utilities, but we've added on a bunch of things to utilities over the last year. So utilities section is a kind of a new category. When I select utilities here, I get several different options now. I get air quality. So using AirThings, using Braun-Newtone, we can sense air quality within the home, and in fact within individual rooms, and understands what's happening. So if I click on AirThings here, I get to see what's going on with my CO2 level, and with my radon level, and with particulate matter that's in the home as well. So that's dust and other contaminants that are going on. But the cooler part about this, not only can the consumer see this, but I can also action that. So if I'm in the kitchen cooking and I use gas ranges and gas stoves, that increases the CO2 output that's happening there. If I see that rise too heavy, I can automatically, using our smart lighting solutions and our smart connectivity solutions, what we're able to do is automatically turn on exhaust fans and also bring in air filtration so I can remedy that problem. Once the CO2 level goes back down again, I can shut off those fans and have that happen automatically without the consumer even being aware. Now the great part about this is that this is a system that is aware. Most people don't know what the CO2 level is in their home. They don't know what the particular matter is in their home because you don't know. With the sensor, it gives you that ability to create a very healthy space so that you can be able to do that. So that integration is really important. But I can also look at it historically over time and say what's happened in, let's go CO2, and I can look at it over time periods here, and I can see my scale. I can go in and out and see what's going on over time to really understand what's happening with CO2 in the home. So it gives your homeowner a lot more knowledge about what's happening. Now in that same utilities functionality here, this is the new thing we added with the newest build of software, is an integration. So we have an integration with Home Connect. Home Connect is a consortium of premium manufacturers that build appliances, and we have integration with those devices that allows us to do things like understand what's going on. Are my beans level, this coffee maker, are my beans levels good? On a dishwasher, I can set schedules to understand what's happening with the dishwasher, to be able to schedule it to go off at a certain time or see what's happening there. With ovens and stoves, to be able to understand the temperature it's at. Once it reaches cooking temperature, to be able to action that to say, you know, when it reaches cooking temperature, let's flash the lights or make an announcement happen around the house to let them know. So it gives you all that capability to be able to control and to see what's happening from the power output from those at the same time too. Now the other thing we added here was the power management of that. So using our products, like our DC12 here, I can see what the product is using in its current voltage, so that as a homeowner I get more knowledge about how my energy consumption looks, but even more important, it allows me to have an ability to be able to control some things. So for instance, one of the things that we're continually plagued with, movie streaming boxes, they freeze up a lot. I mean, usually our dealers have to either travel out to the home site to be able to fix it for the consumer, or they have to tell the consumer, what I need to be able to do is to be able to go behind the rack and I need you to unplug this and plug it back in again. Well, with our interface here, what they're able to do is go through and do a quick recycle of that, and I can reboot it. So the consumer can do that simply and easily. Now the other thing we added in here is the ability for to do water management. So using smart meters like Moen's Flow product or Fin product, PYHN, what I'm able to do is be able to go in here and control my water shutoff valve so I can actually shut it off, but even more important, I can actually have this actioned at the same time too. So for some reason my temperature starts to drop and I'm now in danger of freezing pipes, I can automatically have the valve shut off once it goes between lower than a temperature that I've set. What that allows you to do is make sure that people aren't getting the water damage to their home. These solutions also include water sensors, so if it senses water in an area that shouldn't be sensing water, have that water automatically be turned off at the valve, so I limit the amount of damage that can be done in that project or in that home. So if you want to find out more about all of our products and solutions from NICE, please come see us at niceforyou.com. We'd love to show you what we're doing. It's an exciting world.